Every bar of chocolate begins here, in the humid cradle of the tropical cacao grove. Harvesting is a delicate craft, requiring a gentle hand to protect the tree's future yield.
Only the perfectly ripe pods are selected for the journey ahead.
Inside the rugged shell lies the white gold, the raw beans that hold the secret to flavor.
These raw beans must now undergo a transformation to unlock their aromatic potential.
Fermentation is nature's chemistry, where heat and time begin to develop the cocoa's soul. Turning the beans ensures oxygen flows through, refining the bitterness into complexity.
The tropical sun now takes over, reducing moisture to stabilize the precious cargo. Patience is the final ingredient in the field before the factory takes over.
Properly dried and packed, the beans are now ready for their industrial evolution. The raw beans are packed and ready, beginning their journey to the heart of the factory.
Transportation is a critical link, bridging the gap between nature and industry.
Every gram is accounted for. Precision starts the moment the gates open. Strict quality protocols ensure that only the finest beans enter the production line.
High-speed air transport moves the beans safely into the primary storage silos.
In these climate-controlled silos, the beans are kept at the perfect humidity. Before processing, every impurity must be removed to ensure absolute purity. Safety is paramount. Magnetic filtration guards the integrity of the chocolate. Advanced physics ensures that even the smallest pebble is left behind. Cleaned, weighed, and verified, the beans are now ready to enter the core factory. Beyond the glass and steel lies a world of precision, where taste meets technology.
Purity is non-negotiable. Every person must be completely decontaminated before entry.
Every step is controlled, ensuring the factory floor remains a sterile sanctuary. Standardized gear protects both the artisan and the chocolate. Stepping into the facility is stepping into a climate-controlled masterwork. A hidden nervous system of pipes carries the lifeblood of the chocolate process.
Human intelligence and digital monitoring oversee every second of production.
Even the smallest trace of outside dirt is scrubbed away.
Here, the journey truly begins, as raw beans meet industrial power.
With the facility secured and the team ready, the beans are about to face the heat.
The raw beans enter the final stage of preparation, moving with industrial velocity. Size matters. Grading ensures that every bean roasts evenly in the next stage.
Air pressure removes the last traces of the field, leaving only the pure cacao.
Technology takes the lead, using advanced optics to scan every individual bean.
In milliseconds, the system identifies and rejects anything less than perfection.
Even with AI, the human eye remains the final guardian of quality.
Only the densest, most flavorful beans are permitted to proceed. The beans rise to the final staging area, ready for their thermal transformation.
Precise data ensures that the roasting profile is adjusted for every unique batch.
The cleaning is over. The fire is ready. The beans are about to become chocolate.
Heat is the catalyst that transforms raw bitterness into the complex aroma of chocolate. Precisely controlled temperatures ensure every bean is roasted to its exact flavor profile.
Instant cooling stops the roasting process, locking in the essential oils and flavors. To reach the heart of the cocoa, the protective outer shell must be broken.
The winnowing process separates the waste, leaving behind only the pure, flavorful cocoa nibs.
These nibs are the purest form of chocolate, ready for the next stage of refinement.
Friction and heat begin to melt the cocoa butter, turning solids into liquid gold.
Now in liquid form, the cocoa is ready to be blended and refined into smooth perfection.
Constant agitation and heat keep the cocoa liquor in its fluid, workable state.
The beans are gone. In their place is the raw, intense foundation of all chocolate.
The alchemy begins as raw cocoa meets its companions in a precise, industrial embrace.
Balanced proportions are the secret to the perfect milk chocolate profile.
Immense pressure reduces the particles to a size smaller than a human taste bud can detect. Refined to less than 20 microns, the chocolate is now ready to find its smoothness. In the conche, heat and friction will perform the final miracle of texture.
Hours of kneading remove bitterness and develop the signature melt-in-the-mouth feel.
The final aromatic touches are added, completing the flavor mosaic.
Perfection is measured by how the chocolate flows. Liquid silk in its purest form. The transformation is complete. The raw ingredients are now a unified, premium chocolate mass.
The chocolate is stable and warm, waiting for the precision of the high-tech automation. Precision tempering is the science that gives chocolate its signature snap and brilliant sheen.
In this digital world, a fraction of a degree makes the difference between dull and dazzling. Cold molds are the enemy of shine. Every surface must be perfectly warmed. Automation ensures that every bar is identical, down to the last milligram. Vibration removes the hidden air, creating a solid, flawless internal structure.
Technology and taste merge as inclusions are added with mathematical precision.
A slow, controlled chill is the final step in locking in the tempered structure.
The moment of truth. The liquid has become a solid, shimmering masterpiece. Traceability is etched into every unit, ensuring safety from factory to finger.
From liquid silk to solid gold, the transformation of the cacao is complete.
The final aesthetic touch ensures that every bar carries a professional, high-gloss shine.
Precision automation allows for artisanal flourishes at industrial speeds. Safety is the invisible ingredient, verified at every inch of the journey. Consistency is our promise. Only perfect portions move forward. Order and alignment are the prerequisites for high-speed packaging.
The first layer of protection preserves the aroma and the temper of the cocoa. The identity of the product is now complete, ready for the consumer's eye. Every bar is given its own digital fingerprint for global traceability.
Even as the line speeds up, the human check remains the gold standard.
From the orchard to the wrapper, the vision is now a reality.
Quality is not an accident. It is a rigorous scientific protocol.
A perfect snap is the art of fruit.
We measure smoothness at the microscopic level, ensuring a velvet-like mouthfeel.
Our chocolate must remain beautiful and stable, from the factory to the farthest corners of the globe.
Technology provides the data, but the human palate provides the soul of the flavor. Controlling moisture is the key to a long shelf life and a perfect melt. Precision engineering ensures the chocolate stays solid in your hand, but melts instantly on your tongue.
Hygiene is verified daily, ensuring every bar is as safe as it is delicious.
Visual consistency ensures that every bar looks exactly like the last.
Tested, verified, and approved. The batch is now ready for the world.
Individual bars are now unified into units, ready for the retail shelf. Secure packaging ensures the product remains pristine during its global journey. An extra layer of defense preserves the factory-fresh aroma.
Efficiency reaches its peak as individual boxes become bulk shipments.
Stability is locked in, preparing the cargo for sea, air, or land transit. In this silent city of chocolate, every pallet is tracked by a central digital brain.
The final link in the chain, from the factory's cold storage to the world's waiting hands.
Sealed and secured, the journey of flavor is now in motion.
And this is how modern factories produce chocolate from start to finish.
Comment what's next.